In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own PayPal personal account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're diving into the world of online shopping or looking to send money to family and friends, having a PayPal account is not just convenient, it's essential in this digital age. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. You can do this by entering the URL www.paypal.com into your browser, and you should find yourself on the PayPal homepage. This site serves as your gateway to a wide range of online financial services, including your new personal account. Once the page is loaded, locate the sign up option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where you'll choose the type of account you want to create. Since we're setting up a personal account, that's exactly what you'll select when given the choice. Next, on the new page, you'll see the option to select personal account. This is perfect for individual use, whether it's for buying goods, sending money, or other personal transaction needs. Selecting personal here is crucial as this account type is distinguished from business ones. After you've selected personal account, you'll see a Get Started button. By clicking this, you're confirming your decision and moving on to the next stage of the setup. The platform will guide you seamlessly into entering your personal information, which is of course necessary to ensure the security and proper functioning of your account. Now you'll need to enter your details. This includes your name, email address, and a password to secure your account. Ensure your email is one that you frequently use, as you'll receive important notifications there. For your password, create a strong, unique one to protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember to review all filled in information for accuracy before proceeding. It's essential that all your details are up to date and correct to prevent any hiccups during future transactions. Once you've double checked, continue as prompted by PayPal. And that's it, you've successfully set up your personal PayPal account. In just a few minutes, you've unlocked a secure, reliable, and convenient way to manage your money online. You'll find that PayPal makes shopping, sending, and receiving money easier and safer, all from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help make your online experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.